We are interested in different language use of people. We observe language use in Uvanasthani walking street market because there are a lot of people and they use various languages. There were teenagers, sailors, buyers, middle-aged, and older. We should to study their conversation. Therefore, we are going to analyze the hidden matter in their conversation. There are three subjects of our interesting observation that are style, presupposition, and diagosia.
มึง200นี่ชัดก็จริงนะเว้ยแต่ว่าเวียนหัววะอันนี้ละมึงว่าไป
จัดอ่ะ
เห็นมันเดินไปตรงนู้นเมื่อกี้อ่ะ
เหรออุ้ยยังสวยว่ะอันนี้กับอันเดิมมันไหนดีกันวะ
กูว่าอันนี้วะสวยดี
ความคิดดีอ่ะ
เฮ้ยกูอยากไปแล้วว่ะ
งั้นพวกกูเดินไปก่อนนะ
เฮ้ยลากกูได้ดีค่ะลาก
In our field observation, we noted the style of language used between seller and buyer. We found that they both use Central Thai communicate with each other. Where we noted that the seller used Central Thai when they spoke with customer or used it to holler with everyone in the market to buy their products. In contrast, they use Isan when they talk with other sellers. For example, the first group of people that we observations was a group of students who walk around in the market. They talk about addresses that they want to buy. A group of students spoke Isan which were rude words such as Ihara, Gu, and Mung, but they didn't speak Isan with the sellers.
We can explore that there is a hierarchy in Thai society. Students are in the lowest stratum as pieces of a hierarchy because of their social status. They don't have to interact or socialize with others as other classes, so they speak anything without carrying a saving faith. In fact, they have got pressure from parents or people around them in their society. They have to respect and talk with others politely all the time. They are forced to be polite in the frame of society norm. So they try to break and escape from the norm by using loose language, like they are normally speaking language in everyday life. That's why they use those loose words to speak with their friends, because it is the only way to speak loose words. There is also a diagosia community because it had high and low varieties. In this case, high language is our Central Thai because sellers and buyers use this variety for business, encounter, or formal situation. While low language is Isan dialect, people in the market usually use to talk with their friends.
เฮ้ยสวยจังเลยอ่ะ
ดูก่อนได้ค่ะ
เท่าไหร่คะน้อง
200ค่ะ
18ซะเนาะ
18แล้วคะอันนี้ราคาเซลล์แล้วค่ะที่อื่นเขาขาย259นะคะ
18นั่นแหละ
Another matter is presupposition between seller and buyer at Ubon Walking Street. In this situation, the seller talked to buyer that the price is 200 baht and the buyer bargained 18. No. We can assume the presupposition that bargain is acceptable and fine for those people at Ubon Walking Street Market. Buyer can bargain for lower price for seller. Agree with for the same situation in a denim shop. The buyer said 18. No. The seller presupposed that 18 no mean 180 baht because they are talking about the price of the product they share the same presupposition because the seller tells ไม่ได้ค่ะขายราคาเซลล์แล้ว